So in this video, the auditor is following audit trails related to measurement system analysis. Watch this video and see whether the auditor does this effectively. So I want to follow up now. We've been talking about the resolution of the measuring equipment.
Yeah.
I now want to follow up on the subject of measurement system analysis.
Okay.
So I've seen again that you've got the vernier caliper specified as an evaluation measurement technique, and I see that you've got a number of these 0 to 150 millimeter micrometers.
Yeah.
Can you take me through what type of measurement system analysis you've done for this type of equipment?
Yeah. So for that type of vernier, we will have done a gauge R&R study.
Right. So can I see the latest study that you've done then, please?
Yeah. So it's just opening.
Right. So firstly, can you take me through how do you select the parts to do the study?
So we randomly select. So for the case of this vernier, we have done a gauge R&R. We've selected 10 parts from production.
But take me a little bit more through how did you actually select those parts?
We try to get parts that are within the range that represent the range of the tolerance. We then do 3 trials. So sorry, we do 3 trials with 2 appraisers across the 10 parts. And so you can see here, these are the 10 parts that we've measured. These are the 3 appraisers, the 2 appraisers, and we've done 3 trials for each part.
Right, but I've seen out on the shop floor maybe you've got 40 people using the vernier. So why did you only select 2 appraisers and not 3? What was your logic behind that?
We just wanted a couple of examples of people that use the equipment, but we wouldn't involve everyone in the trial. We would just pick a couple of people that use the equipment and then base the decision on the results.
Right, I understand that now. Now, I know you have 2 automotive customers.
Yeah.
Can you show me their customer specific requirements? I think you were going to print those for me.
Yeah, I did print them. So
can I have a quick look? So this customer is clearly saying that they want you to use the IAOB MSA manual.
Yeah.
And they say in here that it should be 3 appraisers, 3 trials. And you've only used 2 appraisers, 3 trials. So you've not met the relevant customer specific requirement. So really the statistical validity of this study is going to be questionable when it comes against the customer specific requirements. Can I just have a quick look at the second customer?
Yeah. It's often very difficult.
No, they don't have any specific requirements.
Okay. Because this is our normal approach, our sort of standard approach would be 2 appraisers. It's very difficult.
Right, but if we go to IATF, then we have to ensure that we meet any customer reference manuals. Yeah. And in this case, by only selecting 2 appraisers, you are not meeting the IATF requirement for measurement system analysis, and you're not fulfilling the customer specific requirement. So I will be raising that as a non-conformity. So let's summarise. The auditor was following audit trails here related to measurement system analysis, and the organisation said for the vernier they were using gauge R&R. So the first good thing is the auditor did question the organisation on how the samples for the study were selected. And the rules are that the sample taken should represent the normal process variation. And to do that, the organisation may have to select samples over several days' production. The auditor then moved on to check how many trials were done, but importantly, how many appraisers were used in the study. And the auditee said that they did 3 trials, but they only used 2 appraisers. So the auditor then made reference to the 2 automotive customer-specific requirements that were applicable. And the auditor found that in one customer-specific requirement, that it was specifically stated that there should be 10 parts, 3 trials, 3 appraisers. So it was evident that the organisation had not effectively understood and implemented customer-specific requirements related to measurement system analysis. So let's summarise. IATF 16949 requires that measurement system analysis is done for each type of measuring test equipment system specified in the control plan. The learning point here is that once the auditor had reviewed the gauge R&R study, in this case for a vernier caliper, and that they'd referred to the relevant customer-specific requirements, they found that the number of appraisers being selected for the study did not meet customer-specific requirements.